Number 6. Number 92 to short. Rebound number 92, number 92. Is still by Montesa. Montesa 3 onto situation. Lays it up, no good. Number 99, basket and 1. Foul number 92, first personal, first team foul.
Kunwari kung nandito na yung views, ipakita mo na siya ng buo. Okay.
Number 3. On the corner, number 10. Back to number 3. Number 6, outlet pass. Montesa out of bounds. Garden ball. Number 10, back to number 3. Number 3 to number 92. Number 92. Santos. Sidestep kick out. Number 22 short. Number 3, 10 to shoot. He still miscommunication again. Number 10 to number 22. Number 22. On the corner, number 92, step back, all board, number 22, bump. No look pass, number 6, Julian. Good for 2, para kay number 22. Number 4, Montesa. On the baseline foul, his ball rip. Number 22, first personal, second team foul. Number 99, Policarpio Tinumon, number 6. Ras on the corner short. Rebound number 22. Atake Julian. Veteran smooth. Out of bounds, garden ball. Number 22 on the baseline, number 3. The shot lies down to 12. Number 22, no good. Rebound by Ras. Number 1, Ras. On the middle, no good. Rebound by Ras. Swing to Montesa. Ramirez, no good. Number 3, Edos, no good. Goaltending. Basket count para kay number 10. Number 99, Policarpio Montesa. Wow, it was for whip. Number 99. First personal, second team foul. Out of 2. Montesa setting a play. Montesa swing to Ras. Back to Montesa. Number 3. Pabine, no good. Basket and 1. Number 22. Second personal. Third team foul. Three-point complement substitution. Number 3 setting a play. Number 3. Drop pass, Julian Montesa. Number 26, out of bounds. Number 1. Number 1 setting a play is played by number 6. On the corner, number 92, no good. Rebound by number 5. Montesa, number 4. Derecho, drop pass, no good. Rebound by Salve. Edos, floater, good for 2. Number 4, Montesa, Ras. No good. Rebound, number 92. Number 1. Aguilar, center play. On the middle. Number 6, in and out. Montesa. Montesa, derecho. Pero may foul ball rip. Substitution, foul number 10. Number 10, first personal, warning for penalty. So out of 2. Number 1, Aguilar, setting a play. On the middle, sidestep, floater, no good. Outlet pass, number 20, left layup, too strong. Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar, setting a play, looking for the other man, Trinidad. Number 6, good for 2. Montesa on the corner, no good. Rebound number 14, Trinidad. Aguilar kontra Montesa. Aguilar biniyak ang gitna, floater, no good. Montesa sa unahan, number 20. Number 2 para kay number 26. Number 14, Sermo Play, Trinidad. Number 1, Aguilar. The shot clock is down to 10. Bounce pass, number 6. Nabitawan. All board. Montesa. Montesa, derecho. Drop pass. Good for 2. Para kay number 3. Baba sa single possession ng kalamangan ng Garden. Salve to Trinidad. Aguilar. Fake. On the corner, Trinidad. No good. Rebound number 9. Number 9. Montesa, good for 2. Time out, Garden.
Siyempre. Oy, what's up? Kangalay ba? Ano? Ha? Para magkaroon. Pera. Bye. Pasok kayo dito. Ha? Ay, magkakasama kayo tatlo, ha?
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Pasok kayo dito, pre. Boss, dun ko. Saan, boss? Dito na lang.
Aguilar, center of play.
Tara dito kayo, pre.
Screen. Salve, short. Out of bounds, United ball. Number 19. Number 3, center of play. On the middle, floater. Lucky bounce. Change favor. 2-point lead para sa Youth United. Aguilar, drop pass, kick out, number 92, fake. Floater too strong. Rebound by Salve, number 92 on the baseline. No look pass, good for 2. Number 19. Lucky foul para kay number 3, Salve. Salve first personal, warning for penalty. Number 36, Len Rosario. Short, number 5, good for 2. 55 seconds to play. Number 1, Aguilar. Screen by Suyat. Oh. Foul number 20. First personal, 30 foul. Out of 2. Forty seconds to play para sa ating first quarter. Number 5, Gambao. Zapata on the baseline, reverse, good for 2. Number 1, Aguilar. Salve, lazy up. Number Aguilar, good for 2 para kay Aguilar. 5 seconds, possible last shot para sa Youth United. Out of bounds. Two seconds, automatic buzzer.
Lahat ng asal ginawa na. Dito kayo. Tupak. Bigo din. Nakapang skate pa ako. Ayan o, wasak-wasak o. Wasak-wasak yung Air Force 1. Mga highlight. Ano maangas? Kaninong bola?
Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar too strong. Rebound number 9. Number 99, Haluk short. Rebound by Aguilar. Number 92. Easy 2 points. Para kay number 92. Change favor again. 2-point lead para sa Garden. Number 19. Number 99, 2 too strong. Rebound by number 6. Number 22. To number 1, Aguilar. Last shot launch down to 12. With screen by number 6. Number 6, perimeter. No good. Rebound, number 9. Oracion. No good. Rebound by Punta. No good pa rin. Number 92. 2-on-1. Aguilar, good for 2. Number 19, Sergio Blea. Policarpio. Paul Husman Whip. Number 22. Number 22, third personal foul, first team foul. One out of 2, substitution. Number 1, Aguilar. Number 22, floater short. Number 6, no good. Number 6 again, no good pa rin. Rebound by Oracion. Montesa, Oracion, no good. Raspig. Out of bounds. Garden ball. Time out. Youth United. Back to the ball game. Number 6 to Aguilar. Aguilar contra Montesa. Number 6. Number 92 contra Punta. The shot is down to 10. Number 92, good for 2. Oracion no good. Nakakuha ni Ras. Foul Husman Whip. Number 11, first personal, second team foul. Still Salve. Salve. Bounce pass. Aguilar, good for 2. Number 4, Montesa. Bunda on the middle. Ras. Drop pass, Bunda still. Aguilar. Naghihintay muna. Nakakuha pa rin Aguilar. Number 92, Santos. The shot lies down to 10. Aguilar screen by number 6. 5 to shoot. Santos. 3. Number 4, Montesa, Sergio Blea. On the corner, Policarpio. 3. He's stepping on the line. Out. Substitution. Number 1, Ras. Montesa back to Ras. Bunda post up. Foul, who's called rip. Number 5, first personal. 13 foul. Ras to number 21, Aguilar. Salve sa ilalim, 5 to shoot. Number 14, no good. No good pa rin. Out of bounds, Youth United ball. Montesa to Ras, back to Montesa. No good. Policarpio floater too strong. Policarpio again. Lucky bounce. Good for 2. Trinidad, trap pass. Good for 2 para kay number 5. Montesa, setting a play. On the middle, Ras, side step, good for 2. Number 1, Aguilar contra Montesa, Trinidad. No good. Rebound Policarpio, outlet pass. Miscommunication out of bounds. Substitution. Number 1, Aguilar. Number 5, Carson. Perimeter again, good for 2. Back-to-back 2 points. Para kay number 5, Montesa. Setting a play. On the corner, Policarpio. Back to Montesa. Ras on the middle. Pero may foul, small rip. Number 14. Out of bounds. Same ball, substitution. Number 6 inbound the ball to Montesa. Montesa screened by Ramirez. Tips into all board. No good. Rebound Montesa. Turas sa ilalim ng yun. Ramirez. Montesa, the shot lights down to 8. On the middle, Ramirez. Policarpio, no good. Out of bounds. Guarded ball. Number 5 to Aguilar. Too strong. Pero may foul. 3-point play foul. Foul number 6. Number 6 first personal, first team foul. 1 out of 3. Number 4, Montesa. Ras. No good. Rebound Aguilar. Number 52. Number 52. Lefty left. Good for 2. Number 3. Good for 2. Para kay Ras. Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar. So number 10. Number 10 on the middle. Suyat. Reverse. Good for 2. Foul was for rep. Number 10. Substitution. Number 10, second personal. Awarding for penalty. Zero out of 2 para kay Ras. Number 22. Tarosa. No good. Rebound by number 6. Number 4, Montesa. Derecho. No good. Rebound Aguilar. No look pass. Number 3, sidestep. Too strong rebound. Jump ball. Same ball. Substitution. 37 seconds para sa ating second quarter. Del Rosario. Out of bounds, same ball. 11 to shoot. 11 to shoot. Montesa. 8 to shoot. Ras on the middle, no good. Rebound by Salve. Out of bounds, same ball. The shot clock is off. Possible last shot para sa YouTube United. Number 3 to number 4, Montesa. 15 seconds to play. Montesa. 10 seconds. Number 3. Zapata. No good. Automatic passer. Okay, sa lahat po ng taong narito, baka po may nakapulot ng lisensya. Lisensya po ni Jan Hari Ramirez. Tinuulit ko po, baka po may nakapulot ng lisensya ni Jan Hari Ramirez. Pakiabot na lang po dito. Si Punta daw ang nakabulot. Inuulit ko po, pakibalik na lang po. Pag may nakabulat ng lisensya. Salve steal by number 20. Number 20, Montesa. Good for two. Official score 39-34, 5-point lead. Garden. Salve. On the middle, Halio. Good for two. Para kay Santos. Gambao. Orasyon. Salve. Good for two. Number 4, Montesa. Number 20, no good. Shout out Jeff Bison. Number 20. Halinaw, Supunta. Orasyon. Back to back, 3 points. Para kay Orasyon. Santos, foamy head, bounce pass. Rebound Montesa, Orasyon. Libre, good for two. Time out. Garden. Babasa isa ang lamang ng Garden. 43-42. Number 10, Salve. Number 10, back to Salve. Back to number 10. The shot line's down to 13. On the middle, lays it up. No good. Rebound punta. Montesa, 3-on-1. Halio, Kalinaw. Good for two. Change favor. Number 22. Serga play kontra Kalinaw. Arasa, number 5. On the middle, he's still. Number 5. Good for two. Para kay number 5. Number 22 to Salve. Salve cross on the middle. Floater. Pero may foul. Loose ball whip. Number 5. Substitution. Number 5 first personal. First team foul. R2 para kay Salve. Number 5 to Montesa. Montesa. Serve. Punta on the middle. Montesa. Shoot. Number 1 Aguilar. Salve. Foamy head. Lays it up no good. Orasyon, Montesa, Punta, no good. Punta again, good for two. Official score 45-48. 3-point lead, Youth United. He's stepping on the line. Youth United ball. Substitution. Oracion to Montesa. Oracion, same spot. 2. Back to back 3 points. Para kay Oracion. Aguilar. Setting of play. He's still by Galbao. Basket and 1. Was foul rep. Number 14. Number 14, second personal. First team foul. Three-point play not complete. Salve. 2 for 2 para kay Salve. Montesa. Bunda, good for 2. Salve, second play. Contact ang linaw. Bounce pass. Trinidad. No good. Rebound number 5. Linaw, good for 2. Aguilar kontra Aldinaw. Official score 47-57. Abante sa 6. Number 4, outlet pass again. Out of bounds. Substitution. Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar, center play kontra number 26. Bounce pass, miscommunication. Nakakuha ni Punta. Bounce pass, Ras, good for 2. Number 21, dribbling the ball. Number 51. Kick out pass, miscommunication. Substitution. Zapata, center play. Oracion, nilapit this time, good for 2. Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar. The shot lights down to 12. On the corner. In and out. No good. Rebound number 22. No good pa rin. Tarrosa, foul. Baseball rip. Number 0. Number 0, first personal. Second team foul. One out of 2. Oracion. Foul, that's from Rip. Number 1. Number 1, first personal. Second team foul. Substitution. Number 99. Number 26, no good. Ramirez, good for 2. 1, Aguilar. He's screen by number 6. Number 1, looking for the open man. That shot knocks down to 8. Corner, no good. Number 82, Santos. 10 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Rebound number 6. Zapata. Ras. Good for 2. Still foul. Foul number 6. Timeout. Gardena. Back to the ball game. Remaining time para sa ating third quarter. 2 minutes 18 seconds. One out of 2. Barrosa to Salve. Good for 2. Number 3, Zapata contra Salve. Ras. Shoot. Rebound pa rin. Ras on the baseline. Kick out Zapata. From the parking lot. In and out. Ramirez. Number 26. Good for 2. Para kay Den Rosario. Esquivel. Number 82. Salve on the middle. Foul. Who's for whip? Number 6, Ramirez. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Zero for 2 para kay Salve. Number 3, Zapata. Del Rosario. No good. Aguilar. Behind the back. Number 2. Number 6, no good. Rebound number 89, Policarpio. Runs past Del Rosario, no good. Number 1, Aguilar. Tarrosa. Lazy around, good for 2. 55 seconds. Out of bounds. Number 1. Good for 2 para kay number 92. 30 seconds. Ras, no good. Save by Ramirez. Save to the wrong man. Salve. Good for 2. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Automatic buzzer. Bouncing ball. 2 seconds. End of the third quarter, official score 56-17. Back to the ball game. This is the last and the final quarter para sa ating last game. Number 20 Kalinaw to Montesa. Montesa Serapay. Kick out. Tana. No good. Rebound Aguilar. Albert. Arvals. Youth United ball. Bunda to Tana to Montesa. Montesa Gamboa pampatang tira, too strong. Santos de Reto Dava Salve Aguilar Tarrosa no good. Rebound by Bunda. Nakatapak sa labas. Number 1 Aguilar. Number 6 Tarrosa, trap pass, good for 2 by Santos. Montesa Serapay. Montesa Tana. Drop pass, Bunda, floater, lucky bounce, good for 2. Number 1 Aguilar to Salve. Number 6 kick out, number 92 Santos. The shot clock is down to 10. Short, rebound Kalinaw. Kalinaw on the middle. Montesa, Bunda, bounce pass. Good for 2 by number 5. Number 1 Aguilar. Aguilar. Floater no good. Rebound Montesa. Reload. Tana. Bunda. Forward. Kalinaw no good. Aguilar outlet pass. Santos. Easy 2 points. Montesa contra Salve. Tana. No good. Rebound by number 6 to Salve. Salve lays it up, no good. Tarrosa take. Santos. No good. Put back. Basket and 1. Was forward. Number 4. Time out, Youth United. Back to the ball game. Montesa, serving of lead. Buddha on the middle, Bumi head, traveling. Substitution. Number 1. Running time po, sir. Last 2 minutes po tayo, mag-stop time. Number 1. Number 14, back to Aguilar. This shot lies down to 10. No good. Number 1, Ras. Kalinaw, no good. Ras. Out of bounds. Garden ball. Number 22 to Aguilar. Aguilar kontra Kalinaw. Looking for the open man to Tarosa. Best shot lies down to 12. Salve. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Still Montesa. Montesa. 4-on-1 situation. Good for 2 by Ras. Still Gamboa. Good for 2. Gamboa. Time out, Garden. Back to the ball game. Santos to Aguilar. Number 1, Aguilar. Santos to Number 9, Orson back to Montesa. Still Tarosa, still by Montesa. Oracion, no good. Rebound by Bunda. Bunda, bump. Floater, good for 2. Tarosa, no good. Rebound number 0, Bunda. To Ras, sidestep, Montesa, floater, too strong. Tip in, no good. Rebound Tarosa. Barrosa Aguilar, good for 2. Number 1 is still by Tarrosa Aguilar. Tarrosa, good for 2. Timeout, Youth United, both teams. Isa na lang po ng timeout. Ito sir, ito po, score sheet. Tama lang po. Nakashoot po, isa. Okay. Official score 69-80. Number 3, Zapata. Sergio Villa. The shot lies down to 14. Policarpio, Oracion, deflected. Number 1, Aguilar. Aguilar. Salve. 8 to shoot. Santos corner. No good. Put back, no good pa rin. Out of bounds, same ball. Salve, Aguilar, fake, 5 to shoot, 2 to shoot, good for 2, Aguilar, Zapata, kontra Santos, baba sa single digit ang alamangan ng Youth United. Kalinaw to Policarpio, Kalinaw no good, Salve, no good. Number 3, Zapata. Zapata. 8 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Aguilar, foul, was correct. Number 20, second personal, second team foul. Number 1, Aguilar, kick out, Santos fake, 8 to shoot, left to the layup, no good. Rebound Policarpio. Del Rosario. Gagawin na ng oras ang Youth United. 1 minute and 25 seconds to play para sa ating last set of final quarter. 8 to shoot, no good. Put back, basket and 1. Three-point play not completed. Rebound, number 6, Tarrosa. Good for 2. Official score 73-85 in favor of Youth United. Last 1 minute to play. Zapata. Kalinaw, good for 2. Rosa. 50 seconds to play. Good for two, Rosa. Zapata contra Salpe. All good. Good for two, Kalinaw. End of the ball game, mananalo UT United.
Yes. Kain na.